So what we are doing? Transposing. Okay. Transposing. So this you understand, transposing, reshaping and transposing methods are there. Okay. Try to say all to join first. Okay. Today we will see this. This is very big. So even we can convert one dimensional array. Where are people there? So this is flatten methods. So here this next method is flatten. Flatten method will convert the multi-dimensional array in a 1D. Okay. So these are some methods. We will complete this. I know some special things is there. So np.array. This is two-dimensional array, and I am flattening means I am converting this two-dimensional array in one dimension. So flatten method is there. A.flatten. So this two-dimensional is converted in one dimension. Okay, right. So they are, see, when we can use two or more array, we can use concatenate method functions to join this array in a single array. Okay, so there are three arrays A, B, C, and we are doing concatenate on this. So we are joining these two three array. So this method, one is concatenate method, will pass all the array with this argument which I want to join. Okay, which I want to join. We use concatenate methods. Okay, so it will make one array. So one array is created with these three array, right? So one is flatten method, other is concatenate method. Okay, so just remember these all methods. Okay, so if, see, axis is also one attribute in concatenate. So axis is equal to 0 and axis equal to 1. This we can take. This is like dimension. We are increasing the dimensions. Okay. This is axis is in numpy array is like dimensions. Okay. So we can use this axis method. Axis is just a variable. See, now I am using axis. So it will make one dimension. In one dimension, axis 0 is taken only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we can take axis 1. This is one dimension. Okay. Axis 1 is not there. Here axis 1 is not bound, only 0 is there present. So it is giving error. So you just try these all methods. Okay. So like this, we can use in slicing dicing also. In slicing dicing also we can use this NP new access methods, and the shape method can be used in similar dot shape. This will give shape. Okay, this you just try once. So there are other methods. See, there are other way to create the numpy array are np arrange, np dot ones, np dot zeros. Okay, np dot arrange, np dot ones, and np dot zeros. So arrange is like range. Okay, जैसे range में हम लोग करते थे, it is something like arrange function will return an array. Okay, so np dot arrange is one method, np dot one is one method, np dot zero is one method to create the numpy array. See, if I do np dot arrange, so what is difference in range and arrange? Can anyone tell what is difference in range and arrange? So I am creating, here I am using arrange method to create the array. 1, 6 is the attribute we passed to, and data type is taking int. We are taking data type int. So 1, again 2 is left, 1, 3 and 5. See, 2 is the, just like we are doing in list separator. 2 means leaving one element, 1, 3, 5. So if I do 1, 10, so each one element will be left. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like this. So this is the arrange method is there, and there is range method. So what is difference in arrange and range? So first difference is range will give generally list and arrange will give array. Okay, range method will give list and arrange method will give array. Right. If I want to create the matrix of ones, so I will use np dot ones. So all the matrix element here will be 1. So I am creating, see, np dot ones and dimensions, row and column. So 2 row and 3 columns are there. Data type is equal to float. Okay, np dot ones. So all matrix will be 1. See, 2 rows, 3 columns, and all elements will be 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So if I do similarly, there is 0, np dot 0 to create the 0 matrix, np dot 0. Okay, and then we'll give data type. So we can do 1 dimensional also and 2 dimensional also. Okay, like this. So these are some other methods to create the NP arrays. So I am creating zeros. So these all element will be 0. NP dot array, NP dot array range हो गया, then arrange, then ones, NP dot ones, NP dot zeros to create the zero matrices. Okay. Next, these all methods you should know. This is just you have to remember. You can do. Okay. So there are methods like zeros, like, and zeros, like, and one like. So in this what will happen? So see, there is array. This is 2-dimensional array. I want to create a 2-dimensional arrays of 1 like this matrix. So see, this is 2-dimensional matrix, 1 row and 2 row. Now I want to create this kind of matrix, means shape will be this, and but the elements will become 0. So I will use methods 0 like. Okay, we will use method 0 like a. So this will give all the elements 0, but the dimension will be the same as of the matrix A. मैट्रिक्स ए का जो डायमेंशन होगा उसी टाइप का, जीरोस लाइक एंड वंस लाइक. दिस आर सम मेथड्स. Okay, these are some methods. What is this? Yes, yes, खत्म करेंगे this. So this you try, okay, all. What is this? Where? That's just 2 3 methods have moved. Because these are very basics. You have to remember, okay. Nothing else is there, and you have to practice, okay. Practice, either you will forget. Python is very much easy. You can learn in one day also, and you can forget other day. Okay, this is the Python code. So when I want to
सर
create
ये
the identity matrix,
वाली
okay,
पीपीटी भेज दो।
PPT nahi hai. This I have just make this limiter, this Jupyter notebook only. This is statement. Okay, this I can send you. Okay, but everything is there. See, only command is there.
सर ये फाइल है।
So you have to practice this command. Okay, this file I can send, but you have to practice. Okay, this is just Jupyter notebook I made it. Okay, so identity matrix बनाने के लिए we can use np dot identity. Okay, of a given size. So by default, if you pass 4, it will create 4-row identity matrix. So I am passing 4. So what is identity matrix? All the diagonal elements are 1. Okay. See, still it is very, we just started. Okay. NumPy. After that, we'll see NumPy, mathematics, calculations. Till now, we are just looking what are the ways to create the NumPy array. Okay, what are the different methods, functions to create the array. So identity matrix is created just by calling NumPy.identity, and here we'll give the dimensions. Okay, this is 2 dimensions, 3 dimensions, 4 dimensions we can do. Okay. Okay. So there is one I function. I function returns the matrices with ones along with kth diagonal, k equal to 1. So this is k equal to 1 diagonal. So diagonally, diagonal element k equal to 1 diagonal. This I methods can be used. Okay. So what are advantage of these methods? Why I am using this method? What can be the advantage of these methods? You have to try this. Okay. So k equal to 1 diagonal. I suppose if I put k equal to 2 diagonal, then it will shift. 2 diagonal is this only, 2 elements only. Okay, I can put 0 diagonals, then what is this? This is like an identity matrix. So by default, if it is 0, it will give I, np.I method will give the identity matrix only. But we can change the diagonal element 1. Here I want 1. So first diagonal is this like this. This element, this element, this element. Second diagonal is this element and this element like this. So where I want to put identity matrix, that I can change with value of k in np.I method. Right? So this we have completed today. I think the basic part. Next we'll see the NumPy calculation, mathematical operations. You try this all, okay? You try this all. These all methods you try. Okay. So what are the any question? And you where well people went. So programming is very necessary. If I will start machine learning, then people will say, sir, I don't know this. First you do programming. This kind of situations happen many times. Okay. So first programming part is necessary to complete up to basic level. Okay. So this is very basic level. If you don't know this, you cannot do anything. Advanced level has no limit. Okay. Expert level has some limit. Okay. So these are the very basic levels. Once you know, then we can go in machine learning programming. Either we will not understand, then again you people say that sir I don't know this, then we have to come back again. So that time we will start. So we'll go sequentially and don't be in hurry. We'll learn things. Okay, definitely we'll learn all things. Main thing is you keep you do practice. Whatever command I have told you, these commands, just do once to 3 times practice. Basically, how to create the, like today, how to create the identity matrix, how to create one-dimensional array, especially how to create two-dimensional and three-dimensional array. Just try this. Create a two-dimensional array and three-dimensional array, and then do different accessing. Suppose I want to access the first element, what I will do? I want to access the sub matrix of 0 and first row, then what how I will do? Like this you do practice. Okay. I want to access the second and third row or second and third column element, or I want to access second, third column element with second and third row element only. This kind. And how can you change those elements? Okay, these are important. When you will do in mathematical processing in project, these things will come. Okay, NumPy. So you practice this, how to make greater than, less than, how to use conditions, how to get. What is the difference between the NumPy array and the array is also there. One array is also there in Python, named array only. So why NumPy came? What is the difference in list and NumPy array? Suppose if I am using I method and I using identity matrix, what is the difference in these two? These things you should know. Okay. Okay. Next, anyone who did the programming? So one program was there. Two programs I have given. Okay. So Mithlesh.
Yes, sir.
So what you are asking?
सर वो तो जो थर्ड पार्ट था कि सर वो AMSD के से स्टार्ट होने वाला स्ट्रिंग को एक लिस्ट में भरना है, एक लिस्ट में सर डाल मतलब फाइंड आउट करना है, उसके बाद उसका स्ट्रिंग चेंज करना है। सर लिस्ट में फाइंड आउट हो गया, स्ट्रिंग चेंज नहीं हो पा रहा है सर। इस स्ट्रिंग का इंक्रीमेंट कैसे करते हैं?
Where is your program?
सर आपको मेल किए थे सर।
I will give some hint. There is one command function ODR. Okay, in Python. Sorry, ORD, not ODR, ORD. This will give the ASCII value of a alphabet. So this function you can use, and then you can convert this using the CHR function. So these two functions you have to use. Then you can
सर इसको किए तो केवल एक स्ट्रिंग को चेंज करा सर, केवल एक वर्ड रहेगा तब चेंज करेगा, पूरे स्ट्रिंग को नहीं चेंज करेगा।
What happen if you are using in a list, there are several strings. Okay, so first you have to take one list 0 element you have to access. Again you have to access all the element of the list 0 element. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमें एक और लूप लगाना पड़ेगा उस लिस्ट 0 के लिए, और इस स्ट्रिंग को इटरेट करना पड़ेगा, और ये लूप के अंदर ये होगा. दिस विल बी इनसाइड द सेकेंड लूप. एक्चुअली जब हम लिस्ट 0 के एलिमेंट को एक्सेस कर रहे होंगे, देन यू हैव टू यूज दिस ORD एंड CHR मेथड. ओके, तो एक एक एलिमेंट जो लिस्ट 0 का एक एक एलिमेंट है, स्ट्रिंग ट्रेवर्सल, दैट टाइम you have to traverse the list 0 as a string. Maybe if you convert that, if it is in a string, it is okay. If not, you convert those in a string format. Then you can iterate over a string. तो क्या होगा, जैसे कि कोई नाम है, पहले क्या है सी, दिस इज योर लिस्ट. ये लिस्ट है जिसमें अमन एंड Vikas, these are two names, maybe several names. हम क्या करेंगे, first I will, this is list 0 element, right? This is list 1 element. एक loop होगा, so that will access list 0 and then it will go to list 1. So what you have to do when you are here at here, you have to take one more loop inside the outer loop के अंदर जो है एक और loop हम लेंगे for accessing this is each element. Okay, प्रत्येक एलिमेंट को एक्सेस करने के लिए. So send your program here. I see. You can try this. You understand what I am saying? उसके बाद क्या करना होगा, each जो एलिमेंट होगा, सपोज A, you will find the ASCII value of this, okay, this string, and then you have to convert it again in CHR. Okay, suppose you are putting in x equal to this, and again you have to convert. Okay. So this is A. If I want to convert +1, so it will go to the next ASCII value. So this is B, right? अब क्या करेंगे, हमें इस स्ट्रिंग को इटरेट करना पड़ेगा. पहली बार यहाँ पे A आए, दूसरी बार यहाँ पे M आए, ओके, दूसरी बार यहाँ पे M आए. Getting my point? Again it will convert M to N +1. We can do any operation. This is a kind of called in computer science encryption. Like this we can do encryption. One other method you can try, byte. You can convert all this byte array or some method is there. Okay, that method also you can use. But this is a good ORD and this is the standard methods in Python. See, doing in C it is very easy, but in Python we have to use these functions. Did you understood this, Mithilesh?
सर ये जो एग्जांपल लिए अमन एंड विकास, इसी का एक इंक्रीमेंट करके प्रोग्राम बना दे सर, उसको बना लेंगे.
इसका मैं बना दूंगा तो फिर बचेगा ही क्या? इसका मैं बना दूंगा
तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, वो एकदम परेशान हो एकदम से.
Where is your program? Send me.
सर कल
कहाँ भेजा है? मेल की हो? So you tell what you are doing for Jet.
Yes sir.
Then expected, okay. So it is not printing, right? Something like this you have to do. This is Jet is not required. Actually, it will take automatically. What is this? It is giving NNM. Okay, here I have taken M. So here you have to do some operation so that it will take. So what is this? A B N A B O आ रहा है ना? It is coming now. Now you have to format in proper way so that it will come one in one. आ गया मिथिलेश? मिथिलेश, have you gone?
यस सर, हो गया।
हो गया?
यस सर।
So you have to try. You all, no one is doing
Yes, sir.
that. You think it will come? मैं बता दूंगा तो फिर क्या फायदा होगा? प्रोग्रामिंग आपको खुद करना है। कहीं
सर
कोई
कल से सब नेट पे भी ढूंढे नहीं हो रहा था।
सो नेट पे ढूंढना अलग है, बट फर्स्ट यू हैव टू अप्लाई योर माइंड आल्सो कि क्या करना है हमको। फर्स्ट यू थिंक कि हमें क्या करना है। ओके, अब इसको स्टिल देयर इज सम वर्क। ओके, यू हैव टू अरेंज इट इन ए प्रॉपर वे। ओके, समझ में आ रहा है ना? सम वर्क इज लेफ्ट हियर, देयर यू हैव टू डू सम प्रॉपर वर्क हियर, देन इट विल कम इन प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट। डू and send complete program. Okay, everyone who is here
ओके सर।
and everyone just do this and send this program complete. Okay, complete. So what you have to do, क्या था प्रोग्राम जो ए और क्या था जो भी नाम है, so you have to make another list and changing after changing एक में एक लिस्ट में ये चेंजिंग वाला डाल के you have to show the converted list directly. Okay, so this is the complete program. You try this, right?
यस सर।
There are many programs until many few. See today NumPy array people are not doing. Only you doing, Mithilesh and some Achal Misra, Sumit Yadav, 3-4 persons are only doing. Swacha is also doing, but you need more practice. Okay. अब नहीं
ओके सर।
ये हो गया ना? और कोई प्रॉब्लम?
यस सर, ये हो जाएगा। नो सर, होगा तो पूछेंगे।
So you have to create a list here. Another list output क्या होना चाहिए? List होना चाहिए जिसमें ये converted हो, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
और किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम ये प्रोग्रामिंग में? See, these are very important. अभी जो चल रहा है NumPy, अभी बहुत आसान लग रहा है। अभी क्या है, एक list
सर कुछ
function,
लोग तो क्लास ही नहीं कर रहे, इसीलिए मतलब
क्या
कुछ लोग तो इसीलिए क्लास नहीं कर रहे कि
हाँ नहीं सबको बोलो क्लास करें, बहुत जरूरी है। These all are very essential. बिना प्रोग्रामिंग के आगे का कुछ नहीं आएगा। प्रोग्रामिंग
यस सर।
समझ में आया? सबसे पहले प्रोग्रामिंग ही, एटलीस्ट प्रोग्रामिंग नहीं कर रहे हैं तो उन्हें समझ में आना चाहिए, ठीक है? इवन वो क्लास करेंगे तो एटलीस्ट उनको पता चलेगा कि हाँ ये चीज होता है और क्या होता है, कुछ ऐसा होता है। जो क्लास नहीं करेगा उसको तो पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि ये क्या होता है। तो एटलीस्ट जो आज जितने भी कोऑर्डिनेटर हैं उनको बोलो कि वो लोग सबको बोले एटलीस्ट क्लास तो वो लोग करें, ठीक है? क्योंकि अगर कम से कम इतना तो पता होगा कि ऐसे होता है, ऐसा कुछ होता था, ऐसा NumPy array कुछ होता है, NumPy डॉट वंस किया तो कुछ होता है, कुछ बनता है। When you are not practicing, then at least you know if you listen. अगर प्रैक्टिस करोगे then it is very good for you. ओके, तो इसलिए सबको बोलो कि एटलीस्ट वो ज्वाइन करें और सुने। पेशेंस, कीप पेशेंस। ओके, एक्चुअली दिस डेटा साइंस एनालिटिक कोर्स इज 6 मंथ कोर्स अगर पैरेलल देखा जाए। ऐसा नहीं क्योंकि कोई भी क्लास जो है 10 घंटे नहीं चलेगी। एक रेगुलर क्लास जो चलती है अब,
यस सर,
वो जो है अगर हम लोग एवरेज 2 आवर्स डेली लेके चलें तो इट विल टेक 6 मंथ, but we will not going to cover everything in depth. Okay, so basics, even NumPy I can take 2 weeks. Okay, केवल NumPy में, but I will not take. Okay, I am just planning to take 1 or 2 class only, so that you know you can do by seeing the reference and documentation, those things. Even if you read some data science book, if it is there, you will be aware of अच्छा ये NumPy array है, ऐसे ऐसे कुछ होता है। ओके, जो प्रैक्टिस करेगा those people definitely will get some advantage. ओके, लेकिन जो प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहा है वो सुनेगा, उसे तो पता तो रहेगा कम से कम कैसा कुछ होता है. Right, you try this and you all make complete program. Okay, okay, today we'll end here this. Okay, okay, any other people, any problem? We are Mithilesh only. Okay, good. Mithilesh?